mabuga, skele, skele, eh, pa, skele, ele mabuga, ele mabuga. Ó yá, gbé mi lọ síbẹ̀, gbé mi zàbàyé ọ̀wá, gbé mi zàbàyé, gbé mi zàbà. I don't know what I'm saying. Gbé mi zàbàyé. I don't even know what that means anyway. Gbé mi zàbàyé, gbé mi zàbàyé, Come on, 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 come on. Oh yeah. You guys might be thinking, pé kí ló ń ṣe gẹ́ yìí, pé what is God. Oh my God. Social media don't turn me to another thing. What is? Yes, guys. Yeah. Sorry, I'm just moving the camera around. Yes, guys. I'm just heading to the fish shop now. Yes. And I want you guys to go with me. You have no choice. Yeah? You have no choice. We have to go to the fish shop together, ni. Àjọ máa débẹ̀, àjọ máa fojú wé jata fẹ́ rà, àjọ máa rà, àjọ máa wálé, àjọ máa cook together. Like our togetherness, nobody go fit separate am. Àjọ máa ra ẹja, a máa délé, a máa sè. Okay? Yes. So today, guys, what we are doing is cooking fish stew. Yeah, guys. Anyway, hello, guys. How you all doing? I hope you're doing well. Yeah, welcome back to my channel, guys. Yes, today what we'll be doing is going to the fish shop, buy some fish, get back or come back home, whatever, and cook the fish. Okay, guys. So I know I'm super excited because I love my fish. Whenever I want to cook fish, yeah, I'm in that spirit. Okay, that is the spirit you saw at the beginning of the video. Oh, and I'm still in the spirit. Yeah, I'm still in the spirit. Yeah. So until I finish this fish stew, eat the fish stew, then my spirit will calm down. Yeah. So guys, let's go to the fish shop already. Oh yeah. Your car key. Oh yeah, muda. Oh yeah, motoda. Oh yeah, let's go. Yeah, welcome to the fish shop, guys. Oh my God, guys, everything is so expensive. To be honest, everything is expensive. If you can see on the price tag, look at that crab for $36 a kilo. Is that 36 or $30? Akon. Anyway, we have to eat. Everything is just expensive. Per kilo, $25. Anyway, it's time for us to cook our fish stew now. So this is all the ingredients I'll be using today. Yeah, I've washed my fish, and I got my pepper ready, or the pepper that I'll be using, my onion, and I got my chicken stock powder, my tomato paste, thyme, curry, onion, and oil. Like pretty much everything I'll be using. Then now I'm blending everything together, and that is the Scotch bonnet pepper and the onion that I'll be using to start up my cooking. So I also blend them together. Then I'm kind of seasoning my fish here. Yeah, just to give a very perfect taste, because I'll be frying the fish very soon, guys. So I'm just going to season everything, mix them together, and set it aside before I start the frying. And this is my own logic of frying, guys. Now my oil is in the fry pan. I need my flour. All I do is just sprinkle flour in the oil, to avoid this fish from is it splitting or like from breaking. Yeah, guys, use your own English. Okay, so yeah, that is what I'm doing now, just frying the fish. That is my first batch. Like I said, I just sprinkle flour in the oil. This will make the fish comes out very good. So yeah, and after that, you see what I'm talking about? everything will come out perfect when you sprinkle your flour in the oil. I don't like the process of, you know, rubbing the fish with the flour. No, I don't like how it normally comes out. So that is what I do throughout the process, you know. Sprinkle again and add my fish again. That is the second batch, guys, until same process I repeat until I finish frying all the fish. Yes, guys, that is my special way of frying my fish. So here, guys, I've got my granite oil and a little bit of red oil. I love to mix that two together. That is my other oil. I got it from African shop. And after adding that one, and I'll be adding my rosemary. Yeah, this is very good smell, guys. And I put in my blended my blend onion, and I tried to fry that for some minutes. Yeah, I would love to fry my onion and rosemary together before pouring my ground pepper. You can see my onion is fried now, so I went ahead to pour in my blend pepper. So after pouring that in, I also add chicken broth in it to give it a little bit of taste, because I'll be cooking it with turkey as well. I want to add turkey to the stew. So yeah, after that I'll just cover it to let it cook. Yeah, you can see, guys, the oil is at the top, which means our stew is getting ready. So I just add up all my seasoning, yeah, and just wash it cook. My salt to taste, and I add up everything to this amazing stew. And my curry, that's my curry going in. They stir together. I had that is the turkey. I had my fried turkey and my fried fish. As you can see, our fish stew is ready now. So I'm ready to sit down, you know, make my semo, cook my ewedu soup, and ready to eat. Yes, guys, thank you for watching. Oh yeah, I'm done. So guys, our fish stew is ready. It is time for me to settle down and eat my fish stew. Yes, guys. Oh, I wish I can share with you guys. Try out the recipe. You're gonna love it. Yes, I promise. Try it out. So guys, this will bring us to the end of today's video. So guys, thank you for coming to the fish shop with me. Thank you for cooking with me. And I'm sorry we are not going to eat together, but at the same time, I'm still in the spirit with you guys. So that means we are still eating together. Yes, guys, that is the goal. So now I'm going to settle down, eat my fish stew. Like I've said, try it out. You're going to love the recipe. Try it out and let me know in the comment section how it tastes, how it goes. Okay, guys? I'm gonna set it down now because that fish, I feel like, you know, the fried one, I want to drink gari. Yeah, you know, so gari with that fried fish. Me, I know the fun portion. I know get time. Okay, I want to sit down, eat my food. Okay, guys. I will talk to you guys in my next video. Yes, always, always remember, I love you guys. Mwah. Bye for now. Yeah. Bye.